looks crappy outside.
Well, I guess we could... I already did that. How about... Actually, we did that too. Well, maybe... Actually, some other time. Do you want to make a YouTube video?
Not right now.
How about we go work out?
But that involves, like, energy. Let's go. What is this weird place?
Where are the weights?
What? Wait, what? Well, if that thing needs lube, then... Actually, that looks just scary. Okay, is this like your glutes? I'm actually feeling a burn right here, dude. Oh, am I too fat for this? Huh. I wonder how you use this thing. How do... Wait, hold on. Wait. Wait a sec. Evan, I'm not going. This is the worst bike ever.
You know what I need? Weights. Wait, that's not weights. Dude, there's no protein or weights. Wait, how about there's no weight. What is this? This is hell. This is hell, Zachary.
Let's get out of here.
Yes. How about we play basketball?
Actually, you know what? We should probably get out of here before the earth floods again. Jesus. That was a crazy storm.
Yeah,
So, you want to get fruity?